der. Så lige her til venstre er der en træplatform med et hvidt hegn rundt om. Der er hul i midten, så der kan man hoppe ned og svømme, hvis man skulle have lyst til at prøve det. Man kommer nok hurtigt op igen, tænker jeg. Now the next bridge here is called the Inner Harbor Bridge. It's okay to stand up if anyone wants to. Nobody will hit their heads on this one. It is also known as the Kissing Bridge because it looks like the two elements up in the middle are kissing when the bridge closes. Copenhagen